Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload, which is Tuesdays, some Thursdays, Sundays, and then the occasional bonus upload. So if you're interested in this makeup look, this is a full face, wow, just testing all of the Vive products, you know, Jamie Genevieve makeup brand, and I am living for it. It's very 70s styles, very Jamie Genevieve style, and yeah, absolutely love it. So this is in its own video. If it is up already, then I'll link it down below and I'll also put it on a card. Yeah, loving it. And please excuse the yellow hair. I am actually just in the process of dyeing it. This is at the bleaching stage, and then I put a silver box dye over the top, and then it goes back to normal. So just excuse the hair, don't come for me. I know I look like Draco Malfoy, but you know, it's just how it is when you box dye at home. If you don't know from today's title, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the House of Boo PR box that I was kindly sent, which was so lovely of them. So if you don't know about House of Boo, it is a new brand that's based in a salon in Petersfield. So the salon is called Peekaboo. It's run by a lovely lady called Becky. I actually got introduced to this brand by the lovely Clara, who I will link down below. Clara Blush is her name on Instagram and YouTube, and she's worked closely with Becky because there is a lash named after her, which was really beautiful, and they are the lashes that I'm wearing today, which I will show you a close-up shortly. So yeah, so House of Boo have come out with some new lashes, and they sent it in this box along with some other little goodies, so we're going to open it up now. So inside this box you just get like a little leaflet as well, which I think is mainly for people that purchase it's like a beauty box which you can purchase for £25. It's called the Boo box, which I will insert a picture here, and it actually contains loads of different items from like beauty, wax melts and all that jazz from different local businesses as well, which I think I might actually purchase because I'm looking at it now and it actually looks unreal. So yeah, so this is mainly for that, because it just says thank you so much for purchasing a Boo box. It just has a little bit about, just to say thank you so much from Becky. Just jumping straight into the box. So the first thing we've got is a House of Boo sponge, like a little blending sponge. So it's the same sort of colour as the Real Techniques one, but in the same shape as the Beauty Blender. And can we just talk about this packaging as well? The holographic vibes I absolutely love. Everything seems to be so cohesive together as well, which I really like. That is this sponge. It feels quite soft as well, so I'm no doubt that when I actually run underwater it's going to be super soft. So I'm so excited to try that. The second thing I got in here was a Bliss bath bomb and a surprise gem. Yeah, you can't get enough of bath bombs. They're so trendy these days, and you just get a little gem inside, which is dead cute. I also got a mixture of different sweets. So you got the LOL popping candy, some Parma violets, a drumstick, like things like that, which I thought was a really cute touch. And I also got a Dairy Milk caramel egg, which I ate already, so they are my favourite. So I was so happy about that. And then obviously the star of the show are the lashes. So the style that I'm wearing at the moment are Clara, and this is, like I said, named after Clara on Instagram, Clara Blush, who, like I said, I'll link down below. And they are just so beautiful. They're very fluffy. They go out a little bit more at the end, but not too much. Super lightweight as well. So let me just come in closer and show you. So this is what Clara looks like. Very full and fluffy, but yet very lightweight. And another favourite, which I'm so buzzing to try, are these ones called Boo. So this is what they look like, and this is what the packaging looks like as well. Like I said, very holographic and very on brand. So let me just take these out for you. And do you know what they feel like? They feel like real. They feel like real hair. So this is what they look like. Very Instagram, and literally I love this style. They look so full, but yet they're wispy on the ends. Like you can see it really fans out on the ends. And then we've got the style Peekaboo, named after the salon. So this is what they look like. I think they're just a lighter version of Boo, but it should make sense. Peekaboo, Boo, you know, the name's quite cohesive. So this is what they look like out of the packaging. So they remind me a bit of my Unicorn Cosmetics lashes in the style Flammy. They're very lightweight, but yeah, they're still visible on the eye. And then these are in the style Nisha, which again look very natural but beautiful. So let's get her out. So this is what they look like. Just very nice daytime lash or wedding, something like that. I just think they look very classy, soft, glam. And then we've got these, which I think look absolutely beautiful, and these are in the style Darcy. So I believe these are also named after somebody. But I am so excited to wear these because I think these look gorgeous. As you can see, they're very wispy. So they're quite spiky and then they flutter out on the end, which I absolutely love. I just feel like these would look so beautiful on a bride or soft glam, again, just like the previous ones. But yeah, I'm so excited to wear these. Oh, they just look so pretty. And then that is it. So they're all the lashes that came into the box, and each lash retails for £4.99. So I think that's an absolute bargain as it is. Oh my god, they're actually foaming. They actually feel so real. Yeah. So they're foaming, they're reusable up to 30 times, and that should mean that they're cruelty free if they're foaming. Super affordable, super pretty lash. I will link House of Boot down below, as well as their Instagram page. Yeah, I definitely feel like you need to check them out. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see a try on video of all these lashes, then do let me know and I will film that for you. If not, then I might do that on my TikTok or my IGTV. So I will link my socials down below, and then you can follow me on there just in case I do it on there. And yeah, I hope you're staying safe and see you in the next video. Bye!